Step 1. Disassemble the ESC. Loosen the bolts of the motor cable clamps and remove the clamps. Disconnect the motor power cable and taillight cable. Remove the screws of the ESC housing and lift up the cover. Disconnect the ESC from all the components. Step 4. Install the new ESC. Follow this video to connect the cables. Cable diagram attached at the end. Lock this cable into the cable clamp. Wrap this connector with foam tape and insert it into the slot. Put the ESC housing cover on. Tighten the screws. Connect the taillight power cable and the motor cable. Install the motor cable clamps and tighten the screws.